Hi kids, welcome back. Now today I am going to start book work of chapter number 17 in science. The chapter name is environment, and open page number 124. I am going to start. Name the following: making air, water, soil and overall environment dirty. It means pollution. Yes. Harmful gases from vehicles and smoke from factory chimneys are released into the air. It's called air pollution. Caused when dirty water from houses, farms and factories flow into rivers, lakes and ponds, making these water bodies dirty. It's called water pollution. Throwing garbage carelessly causes this land pollution. Protection of the environment and the things found in nature, conservation. To change a waste item into something new and useful, it's called recycle. Recycling. आपने कुछ भी वेस्ट था, कोई पेपर वेस्ट था या कोई कार्डबोर्ड वेस्ट था, आपने कुछ उसको ऐसा ट्रांसफॉर्म किया कि वो एकदम से न्यू बन गया या कुछ अलग फॉर्म में कर दिया. इट्स कॉल्ड रिसाइकलिंग. नेक्स्ट इज ट्रू और फॉल्स. वी डिपेंड ऑन द एनवायरनमेंट फॉर मैनी थिंग्स. दिस इज ट्रू. Polluted air is good for health. No, this is wrong. It's false. Conservation is the protection of the things found in the nature. This is true. Using a hose pipe to wash cars saves water. False. Dumping garbage near a river bank causes water pollution. This is again true. We can save electricity by keeping the lights on even during the day. No, this is wrong. False. We should keep the lights off even during the day. Next is filling the blanks. Making dash water dash and the overall environment dirty is known as pollution. So making air, water, soil and overall environment dirty is known as pollution. Next is we need to breathe fresh clean air to live a healthy life. Help your school dash water by turning off taps properly. Help your school save water. When we throw garbage carelessly, it leads to dash pollution, land pollution. Let dash enter through windows by pulling off the curtains during daytime. Let sunlight. Walk short distance. यानी जो कम डिस्टेंस कम दूरी वाली जगह है वहां पर आप बाय वॉक भी जा सकते हैं इंस्टेड ऑफ यूजिंग कार्स एंड स्कूटर्स. डैश एंड डैश वेस्ट कैन बी buried in a compost pit. इट्स किचन और जो गार्डन की वेस्ट है उसको हम कंपोस्ट पिट में डाल सकते हैं. Next is what is good for the environment? Cutting trees, polluting rivers, saving electricity or wasting water. So the answer is saving electricity. We need to breathe fresh and dash air. Wasted air, recycled air, clean air or polluted air. Again, clean air. Which of these can be recycled? क्या recycled हो सकता है? Glass jars, aluminium cans, paper, all of these. The answer is all of these. Which of these would not help save water? A leaking pipe, a leaking tap, using a watering can to water plants, short shower or storing rainwater. So a leaking tap. Now here are question answers. I will give you the answer. What is environment? Environment क्या है? Environment means everything in the world around us. What all do we get from the environment? हमें environment से क्या क्या मिलता है? We breathe oxygen present in air. There are lots of things, but I will explain you only 3 or 4. We breathe oxygen present in air. Plants give us so many other products such as wood, gum, medicines, cotton, fuels, rubber and paper. And we get food from plants and animals. We get water from rain which fills lakes and rivers. Next is how is air pollution caused? Air pollution कैसे होता है? Harmful gases from buses, cars, trucks and other vehicles and smoke from factory chimneys are released into the air and these cause air pollution. Next is why are polluted water and air harmful? Polluted water and air are harmful to all of us because they causes diseases such as cough and asthma, and they also make our eyes turn red and watery. Water drinking and using polluted water can cause serious diseases. And polluted water is not good for plants and animals living in water bodies. What is conservation? What all can we do to protect and conserve the environment? List 5-8 points. Oh my God. So what is conservation? Conservation is the protection of the environment and the things found in nature. Now we have to tell 5 or 8 points. What all can we do to protect and conserve the environment? So first, be careful not to waste water while bathing and brushing teeth. Number 2, water used to wash vegetables and fruits in the kitchen can be used to water plants. Number 3, people must use a bucket of water to wash car instead of hose pipes. Get a leaking pipe or tap repaired immediately. Use energy saving bulbs. Next is walk short distances instead of using cars and scooters. Buying less causes less trash or waste. Some waste such as aluminium cans, glass bottles and jars and papers can be recycled. And next is donate old clothes, shoes, toys, books, bags and other things to people who need them. So there are lots of things we can do to protect and conserve the environment. That's all for today. So now the chapter has been finished. Now enjoy, and first of all I will be sending the assignment और आप उसे घर पर complete कीजिए अपनी fair notebook में. This was the last chapter of our book. So now it's time to learn chapters. So now आज से ही आप chapter learn करना start कीजिए और अपने exams की अच्छे से preparation कीजिए. So take care and goodbye.